Gopi uses 4 cups of water to cook 2 cups of rice every day.
A day when some guests visited his house, he needed to cook 6 cups of rice.
How many cups of water will he need to cook 6 cups of rice? We come across many such situations in our day-to-day life, where we observe change in one quantity brings in change in the other quantity. For example, what happens to the quantity of midday meal needed? If more number of students are enrolled in your school, more quantity of midday meal is required. If we deposit more money in a bank, what can you say about the interest earned? Definitely the interest earned also will be more. What happens to the total cost, if the number of articles purchased decreases? Obviously the total cost also decreases. What is the weight of 20 tea packets, if the weight of 40 tea packets is 1.6 kilograms? Clearly the weight of 20 tea packets is less. In the above examples, we observe that variation in one quantity leads to variation in the other quantity. How do we find out the quantity of water needed by Gopi? To answer this question, we now study some types of variations. On the occasion of Vana Mahotsavam, head of eco team in a school decided to take up plantation of saplings. Number of eco club members of each class is furnished here. Each student has to plant 2 saplings. Find the number of saplings needed for plantation for each class. What can you say regarding number of saplings required? What kind of a change do you find in the number of saplings required and the number of students? Either both increase or both decrease. To which is a constant and is called constant of proportion. As the ratio is the same, we call this variation as direct proportion. If x and y are any 2 quantities such that both of them increase or decrease together and x/y remains constant, say k, then we say that x and y are in direct proportion. This is written as xy and read as x is directly proportional to y if y1 and y2 are the values of y corresponding to the values of x1 and x2 of x respectively. Then,